Sheetali Pranayama
Okay.
is tongue breathing. So look at me. You will take your tongue out and you will suck the air through the tongue inside, and then you will close your mouth and you will assimilate the air inside, and then slowly exhale through the nostrils. Okay, like this. Okay. So take tongue out, make the tube, and inhale through that. Yes, yes. Very good. Inhale slowly, and after inhalation, close the mouth, assimilate the air inside, and slowly exhale through nostrils. Good. Sheetkari. So in this, you open the lips, you inhale through teeth, hold the breath inside, then exhale through the nostrils. These two pranayamas have same natures, and people who have low blood pressure, they should avoid these two pranayamas. People who have high blood pressure, they have to avoid Kapalbhati and Bhastrika pranayama. So they are complications. But the rest of the people can do this. Okay. Yes. With awareness. Good. Okay, so that was Sheetali and Sheetkari Pranayama.